morning, YouTube. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Diam Jackson. If you're new here, thank you for subscribing. I hope you guys enjoyed my empty house tour. We are still getting settled in, of course. It's about a week and a half since closing day, moving day. So slowly but surely, we have unpacked the majority of our boxes. We do have some stuff still remaining in our storage area that we're going to go through soon, but other than that, we're pretty much unpacked. So now, of course, we're waiting on some furniture deliveries. We did get some stuff in, so I want to give you guys a house update for what we have so far, and then tell you a little bit more about what we plan on getting in the future. And just a note, I plan to just give you guys like house updates. Of course, none of these rooms are going to be complete ASAP, given COVID delays, things of that nature. So it's going to take us some time to get all of our rooms to a point where we're going to do a full like living room tour or a full bedroom tour. So instead of making you guys wait until that point, I just want to give you guys some house updates along the way. Hope you guys will enjoy that. And let me know what you guys want to see in the comments below too. So yeah, I'm about to just drink my coffee. Then after that, I'm gonna get started on showing you guys around the house. I think you're gonna be blown away about some of these pieces. I know I am, at least. When I was looking at the pieces back in November 2020, you know, of course I was obsessed, but then when I actually seen it in person, like, I love it. I've been trying to be patient, take my time, make really good decisions for me and my family, because I don't want to buy a piece today and then hate it next week. So I've been really trying to be very smart about those decisions. So the decisions I made back in November, and to still like them now, I'm very proud of myself, because you already know that's really hard, because I can flip-flop, like one thing last week, hate it this week, hate that for myself, hate that for my money. I don't like that. But yeah, so I think all the pieces that I got so far, I'm in love with them. I can't wait to show you guys them. Let me know your feedback in the comments. This is going to be a really good, exciting video, so stay tuned. All right, so I'm finally done drinking my coffee and replying back to my text messages, but we about to get started. So I think the first room I'm gonna show you is my office, y'all. So mind you, I bought this desk back in November 2020, and I mean, I loved it ever since then. So I was so excited to get it, and it's beautiful. So let me show you guys the desk. All right, y'all, are y'all ready to see it? Drum roll, please. Bam! Isn't this so stinking cute? Look at that. I am obsessed with this desk. Like, it's huge. I think it's about 66 inches by like 30 something inches, or maybe even bigger than that. I'm not really 100% on the dimensions, but in general, it's so big. I love it so much. So of course, that chair is not going to be the chair that I want for my office desk. But that's the only big piece of furniture I got so far in my office. I'm obsessed. My husband mounted my TV the other day, so it's about to give office vibes. And this is actually the artwork I bought for my office. So this is an acrylic frame piece. I really want like mute tones in my office, so I'm planning on putting this picture on this back wall. So I know you guys are probably gonna say that wall is so big, that picture is too small. I really want like I'm gonna flip my camera. So yeah, that artwork is kind of small for that big wall, but I really want my office to be like minimum. Like, I don't want it to be too much going on or too many huge statement pieces. So I want to put that piece of artwork in the middle of my desk, right above my chair, and then I want to do 2 sconces on the sides of the art piece. I think it's just going to be so minimal, my style, very simple. And yeah, that's the direction I want to go. Of course, I'm going to test it out, see how I like it. But yeah, I think it's going to be beautiful in this space. Like I said, I don't want to do too much. Of course, I have my TV hanging up. I do plan to get like a light fixture above my desk, and maybe a rug, maybe not a rug. I don't want to do too much in here, but I'm going to do that first, see how it looks. Of course, not today, but in a future video, I'll be having that hung up by my husband, and then the sconces added too. So I think it's going to look really good. I'm going to get some desk decor, totally like simple, not too much. But yeah, it's just going to be a really minimal space. And I do plan on, I'm going to turn you guys back around. So I do plan on getting 2 ottomans right here. So very small. I want to do a circular or a cylinder, however you want to say it. 2 ottomans right here. I think I already found them at Target to match like these mute colors right here. I think that will look really good. I do want to get an office desk too. So I was already looking at this burnt orange velvet chair. It's a 360 swivel chair that I have my eye on. I'm still looking, but I'm thinking that's the direction I want to go. And I think it'll be so cute in this office as like a statement piece. Like that'll probably be the only true color that I'll have in this mute office space. But I think once I get those 2 ottomans in my chair, hang this up above there with the 2 sconces, I think it'll be like the simple look that I'm going for. Of course, add different touches here and there. I want to get a plant. I'm thinking about a faux olive tree right over here. I think it's gonna look really cute, y'all. I'm pressed. But yeah, tell me what you guys think about the desk in my comments, and I'll be sure to link it. This desk was from CB2. And let me show you guys the back side of it. It has a little drawer right here. So it's a very minimal desk, just what I was looking for. Definitely a statement piece. Every time I have somebody over here, they're like, oh my gosh, I love your desk. I'm like, yes, yes. But yeah, I don't want to go on and on about that because yeah, I think I said it enough. But yeah, look at me in my office. And with my TV, I'm a TV girl. Like I watch so many shows. So I had to get my TV mounted in here because that's the only way I'm going to be able to just sit in here. I have to have my TV. I have to have my Real Housewives. I have to have all of my reality shows. If you are the type of girl or guy, let me know in the comments what's your favorite show. I'm probably tuned in already, to be honest. But yeah, so that is what I have so far in my office. Alright guys, so we just got out of my office, but I wanted to quickly show you guys the counter stools we bought for our island. They're so durable, they're leather, and they're just super nice quality. So let me show you guys these chairs. And hopefully you guys can see them. So they're black leather chairs with iron. I love these so much. And they aren't really true black. As you can see, a little bit of like brown, but they were named like distressed black chairs. I'm okay with that. Still really like it. Still nice quality. So I made sure to measure our island and the chairs before we bought them, just to see how many chairs we should definitely get. So it ended up being 4 chairs. Perfect amount, nice space in between them. We picked these up from France and Son. But yeah, very nice quality pieces. I will definitely link these as well below. Also, just a little bit of advice when purchasing furniture. Measure, measure, measure. It's so important. Like I said, we measured our island. We measured these counter stools just to make sure we bought enough. The spacing in between the counter stools were adequate. Nobody that's sitting down would be touching the next person, things like that. And also the height on it. If I'm sitting down, is my legs gonna be touching the top of the island. You could have gotten bar stools instead of counter stools. So definitely be aware of what you're purchasing. I know a lot of people often mistake bar stools for counter stools. They're totally different things. Bar stools are higher, they sit up higher, and counter stools are just for what they are, for the counter, the island seating. So definitely watch out for that and measure, measure, measure. All right, so while I'm still in the kitchen, I wanted to show you guys our Nook table that we got and our Nook chairs. We are going to be buying a Nook bench soon to go in this like setup, but I wanted to quickly show you guys what we have so far. So this is our Nook dining table. I think this is 48 inches in diameter. We were looking for a simple Nook table, didn't have too much going on. Found this perfect one from CB2. Although the internet said it was a black color, it did end up coming back in this, if you guys are familiar with IKEA, black brown color, it's definitely given that. But that's still okay, still very beautiful. We still love it. And then we got these two chairs from Target. Definitely was going for something simple, but yet it still looks modern. We love these. So definitely a high-low look. The table was a lot more expensive and the chairs were on the low side. So I think this is a great combination. Like I said, we're gonna get a bench, a no back bench for right here. And we're gonna order that soon to complete this look off. Yeah, so we really like the setup that we have going on right now. We still have to put together our dining table and our dining room. So right now, we've really been utilizing this space to eat our dinner, our breakfast, our lunch, all that stuff. We really think it's comfortable. We like it a lot. We just have to get our bench to really complete this space out. But like I said, we don't have the table decor yet. I do plan on getting like a vase and some fresh flowers. Of course, keep a candle there still, but just hooking this space up a little bit. But of course, that's gonna come a little bit later down the line. We wanna finish off with the big pieces first and then add the decor later on. So yeah, that's our space right now. And I love it so far. So before I take you guys upstairs, I wanted to show you the rugs that I got for our living space down here. So my plan was to get the same rugs for the morning room and the living room because I want the spaces to flow. I wanted them to not be doing too much opposing things. I wanted everything to be very cohesive. So that was always my plan. Luckily, I did find two matching rugs at home since the same size, 8 by 10. So it really worked out perfectly. So I wanted to show you guys my rugs really quick. So of course, you guys know I'm going for a very neutral vibe. So this rug is so perfect. And it's like a cream rug with these little like ball patterns. So I think it's very durable. This is an 8 by 10 rug in the cream color. So I got this one for the morning room, which we're in right now. And then I also got another one for the living room, which is right here. So we didn't roll this out yet. Our couch is scheduled to come tomorrow. I'm so excited. Don't mind all of this. Of course, this is for my son when he wants to watch TV and just be comfortable in the living room for now until we get a couch. We just have like this little setup going on, so don't judge me. But yeah, that is our living room right now. We have the rug. This picture behind me right here would be hung up on this back wall. And then I also got this cute lamp, Project 62 right here. I love this lamp so much. Got this from Target. I'll link this below. If you're interested in this picture, I'm sure you guys probably seen this before. They always have this at Home Goods. Beautiful picture. It comes in different colors. Like my mom also has this picture, but hers is like blue and gray. They have just tons of different options with this one, and it's very affordable. I love this a lot. Cannot wait to hang this up right here. And I really think the picture is going to look very nice with our couch. So I know I made a video a while ago, and this is what I'm talking about me switching up. I made a video a while ago saying I wanted a white couch. I didn't end up going with that. I was on the fence just because I just want my furniture to be long-term, especially if I'm paying a pretty penny for some pieces. So I decided to go with gray, a really light gray couch. And I'm really happy with that decision. All in all, back to the point, I think this picture would look really nice. Like I said, I do have a gray couch and I have a cream rug. So I really want everything to be cohesive. I think that's a good start. Like I said, my couch gets delivered tomorrow. Cross my fingers. I'm obsessed. You know, I'm nervous. I hope everything looks great. But yeah, I'll show you guys my couch tomorrow too. All right, so we are upstairs now. I want to show you guys what we have so far in my bedroom. Don't mind the pictures that's hanging up in our window frame. We have to get some blinds, so we just have that there temporarily until we go get our blinds. But yeah, so let me show you guys what we have in our room. And if you don't already, follow me on Instagram, Diam.Jackson. I kind of already showed you guys this daggone chest dilemma with Pottery Barn. Like I mentioned in my empty house tour, we were supposed to get both of our chests delivered on that Thursday. They came, I was excited, and they messed up my furniture. So I definitely was so upset. All right, so let me show you what we have so far and also show you our Pottery Barn dilemma. This is our room so far. So we got this bed frame from Crate and Barrel. I love this a lot. And it's a leather bed frame. And they say it's gray. It's really gray, black, and brown, in my opinion. I think it goes really nice with like the color scheme I'm going for this room. I really wanted to give like hotel neutral vibes, so I think it's doing it justice. And of course, it's very durable. I don't have to worry about a fabric bed frame getting dirty or us having to really maintain it. The most we'll have to do with this is probably wipe it down, so that works out for us. But on to this chest dilemma. So back in November, you guys know, I ordered a whole bunch of furniture, and this was one of the pieces I got. So they just delivered this in May, last Thursday, and they got it wrong. So this is the right one. And I love this, by the way. So of course you can put like the cord right here. It's not styled, so it's not the way it's going to look. You can put the cord right here. It has 2 drawers and then another 2 drawers right there. But they sent this piece, the right one, and they also sent me a surprise piece right here, the wrong one. Can you guys see the difference? Oh hell no! Yeah, that's not it. Stank. So I was definitely upset. To make matters a little bit worse, the original shipment took 6 months to get, and now they have to reorder it, so I don't know how long it's going to take me to get my right chest. So definitely upsetting. They say we can keep this one and for the time being. But yeah, I wasn't too happy with Pottery Barn. I'm still not happy with Pottery Barn. I'm supposed to get compensated for this mishap, which is great. But all in all, I just want the right piece so that I can finish, you know, doing my room up. Still very happy with the pieces that I have so far. For my bed, of course, it's not done. I have to get more pillows. I have to get a throw blanket. We want to do a bench right here. We're thinking of doing 2 chairs and an accent table right here. And then, of course, we have our fan. I bought some curtains. So these are the curtains. Very neutral, what I'm going for. And I got these from Home Goods. Going to get a faux olive tree for this corner right here. So that's the gist of the direction we want to go in for our bedroom. And like I said, it'll just be really neutral vibes in here. All right, so that's what we have so far for our house update. Let me know what you think about the furniture pieces that we do have. I hope you guys really enjoyed this. Bye.